Bakit ganun? Hindi lumalabas. Tingin ko talaga guys na ano ako. Hello, oo nga, hindi lumalabas yung light. Shadow ban nga talaga siya, be. Kaya talaga nanunod sa akin, be. Ganun pala yun. For today's video, maglalaba tayo, guys. Maglalaba ako. Ito, guys. Ito. Nakakangilo siya. Babot ka rin. Babot ka. You know? Hindi na siya yung kausapin siya, guys. Kausapin niyo na lang ako. Yes. Maglaban na lang tayo. Dito ko babasahin, guys, ang comment nyo sa kabila. Kasi, gamit ko ay backcam. Back camera. So, ayun. Maglalaba ako dito. Saan? Ay! No, diba? Nandyan pala kayo. Good evening, Anadu, my friend. Good evening, my friend. How are you today? How are you? Let me fix my camera first. Okay? Just like that. Please give me likes. Like, guys. Like. Can you see me here? Here. Let me see. Hi to our 22 viewers. Please give me likes. Very long. Up. Yeah, I think did you not receive any notification of me being live or posting video? Yes, I guess I've been shadow ban for a while. Because I don't have a lot of viewers anymore. Dinner finish. Yeah, I already eat dinner. It's 12. What time is it right now? 12 a.m. I'm just going to laba-laba. Do laundry. Going to do laundry. This one. Do laundry with me. Ay, ano tayo mag-highlights?